We are staying at the Aventura Hotel here at Universal Studios in Orlando. We're on the 14th floor. Our room is 1457. We have a theme park view room, so let's go inside and check it out. Already you can see that this room is very nice. Modern, calming colors. But let's take a look here. So we just walked through the door and we're in the vestibule area. We have a full-length mirror right here, very nice. And then as we walk in to my left, we have our sink. And here we have paper products and we have towels. And there's plenty of room underneath there if you need it for storage. There's also located over here in these cubby holes a hair dryer. It's very well lit, nice soft colors in here. And then over to the left is a pocket door which leads us into the shower and toilet area. Nice size shower, nice shower head. There you're going to see some products that they're provided for us. And over here is your shower control and your ever-present clothesline. Over here is the toilet, and then above it, towel storage and a towel rack. So let's back out of here. Let's go across the hall, and you're gonna see this large closet. And in here, we have an extra blanket, and then we have iron. We have a rod with hangers, an ironing board. We also have a suitcase rack, and of course we have some of our stuff in here. Let's check this. And right next door to this is your coffee service area. So this is a Cuisinart and it has pods that you use, and they provide some cups. Above it, we're gonna see this is where your safe is stored, and this is the one where you put in your own code. It's pretty good size. You can fit quite a few things in there. Plenty storage above it. And then below the coffee area, this is where your little mini fridge is located. And the mini fridge does not have a freezer on it, but it's a decent size to put drinks and leftovers. Okay, now let's go into the bedroom area. This room has 2 queen beds, so you can get rooms with queen beds or a king bed. And in between, there's a nightstand. On each side of the beds, above on the headboard, we have lamps, task lamps, so you can use them while you're in bed reading. And then we have a lamp on the nightstand. Behind it, you're gonna see outlets and USB ports. This lamp is controlled by this button here. Telephone. And then they have one drawer here, and in there, decent size. But then underneath, you can't open that. It's just solid. These beds do not have space underneath to store, so just so you know. And then over here, we have our view. So take a look at that. We are looking at Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. Right in front of us is Sapphire Falls with the blue roofs. But beyond that, we're looking at IOA, and then beyond that is Universal Studios. And pretty soon you'll be able to even see Epic, but not from this location, probably from another wing. That's a nice view. And at night it's going to be nice too to see all those lights. So we're pretty high up. Like I said, we're on the 14th floor. Now these windows are floor to ceiling, so that gives you a great view. I can see we have at least 3 in here. And then these curtains, you have blackouts, and then you have sheer. So it brings plenty light into the room. And then over here you're going to see you have another task lamp, or floor lamp in this case. Next to it is a chair, so you don't have to sit on the bed. We have a nice dresser here plenty of room to spread your stuff out. And then they have 3 drawers. They're not that deep though, just so you know. But underneath this drawer is open space, so you could put things down there. Then next to it is a desk area. And we have a light here. And by the way, the lights over the bed, you can control them by hitting a switch. But we're going to show you something else. Look, this one right here, you just touch it and it comes off and on. Here's a little Bluetooth speaker. And then I'm going to let Paul explain what this is.
So one of the very cool features about this room is they have a tablet, which is here on this desk. It comes right off of this stand. And then they have a bunch of things that you can control, or you can get information about those things. So there's an about here, and there's information on safety and security, policies, welcome, all that kind of stuff. And room controls. So you can control your lights right here from this tablet. You can use switches too, but that's pretty cool. You do have a thermostat that is right here. They also have a regular thermostat if you want to use that, but you can do it the modern way. Your TV can be controlled from here, so your volume, your channels. You can also get to YouTube or Hulu or Prime. Dining. They have a dining option here, so you can look things up about the dining here in the resort. Services, so you can have an alarm clock, or you can request items, vacation planning, car rental. And then there is another section on internet and tools. So weather, there's a clock, internet, and they also have a Bible that you can access there as well. There's a chat feature. So we needed to find out what this little black box does in the corner. Turns out it's a Bluetooth speaker, and they were able to tell us that through the chat. So this tablet is pretty cool and a great way to wrap up our tour here of the room at the Aventura.
One other thing we want to tell you about is a special messenger. We called down to the front desk to get some extra shampoo and conditioner, and they're going to be bringing it up, and we're going to show you who it is. Hello! Oh, how cool! Shampoo and conditioner. Thank you. How was your stay? So good.
5 stars.
Yay!
Yay, thank you, Relay.
Thank you, Relay. So that wraps up our tour of the room. If you like this video, please hit like and please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you on our next magic adventure. Bye.